It's almost that time of year again, and here's a sneak peek of what's to come in the next video. I have tons of fall inspiring videos coming your way, but first let me share our updated kitchen flooring. Here's a reminder of what our kitchen looked like before we moved in. Dark and drab and not too pretty. And here's how it evolved over time with changing out the backsplash and countertops. And now we have a light, bright, airy kitchen that we absolutely love. Our last and final upgrade to our kitchen was the flooring. Can you lay a wood floor over tile? And the answer is yes, yes you can, if the existing floor is in good shape and without any cracks. Home Depot was my go-to for purchasing our floor, so be sure to consult with an expert in the flooring department before installing your floor. Choosing a color was very important to me because it had to flow with the rest of our home, so that's a factor that you want to keep in mind. With all of the major changes we made to our kitchen, we felt that the flooring was clashing with the new look of our kitchen, and we wanted wood flooring, but we didn't want to jackhammer over our existing flooring because it would have been a huge mess and expensive to remove. So we decided to install a floating floor which can be laid over your existing tile. It's waterproof and it has a hand scrape look, and it's very easy to install. We had to move our pantry out to continue the flooring throughout, and since we had it out, I decided to get rid of my closet-made corner unit. It just wasn't working out for me, you guys, and replace it with this closet-made vertical closet organizer that's actually used for hanging your clothing because you can add hanging rods and the shelving is used for shoes or folded clothing. This unit has 5 shelves and I'm using it to store my pantry goods inside these beautiful baskets that I got on sale at Michael's. This option is way better for me than the corner unit because things just magically got lost and I found myself overbuying. Now I can see what I need without the hassle of digging. I'm gonna take you guys way back. Do you remember this cart that I got from the flea market and I turned it into a baking cart? It was my all-time favorite and I was so mad because I had to get rid of it because it was too big when we installed the new pantry. So for now, she's sitting pretty on the counter until I find another cart, so be on the lookout for that DIY very soon. If you want to see this DIY, I will leave a link down below. In case you're wondering where the rug is from, I saw it on my Texas house. This is her collection and it goes beautifully with my new floors. And if you want this rug, I will leave a link down below for purchasing. The rug color is a natural gray and the base color is a medium gray. This rug is pet friendly and tear resistant and of course stain resistant. So I hope you all like my new flooring as much as I do, and I want to thank you all for watching.